Hi students and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the template that I provided for you to complete your Cyber Sandwich Venn diagram presentation for week 2, module 2 assignment. This is an activity where you will be using a partner to help you complete it, and you should have gotten your partner assigned to you from Mrs. Kummer, your teacher. And this is the link to the resource that I have there for you to use. So this is the kind of the scaffolding that I want you to use when you make your own presentation here. Don't start from a blank presentation. I've built in some helpful hints and things here for you. So if you notice, if you first look at this, you don't have any editing rights yet. So what you first need to do is click File, make a copy, and the entire presentation. Give it a name and save it in your drive. The next thing that you'll want to do is share this with your partner, all right? Because remember, you're completing this with a partner, so you'll want to share it with them. You can type in their name or give them a link to use on this, all right? So you can type that out. I'm going to send that. All right. And here's just some helpful hints on how you should complete this assignment. Okay. Partner one. Partner one is going to pick one Indigenous African group to study. In that group, you can use the resources that Mrs. Kummer has provided to you here. You can also do your own independent research. But what you're going to do is write out some information about that particular group. So helpful things to consider. How did that group react to the European colonizers arriving there? What did they do in the face of that? Was it peaceful? Was it violent? And what were the outcomes of that? All right, so really just take some historical notes here on that. And I've give you space here to write down your notes. If you need another copy of this page, you can make a copy of this page and fill out multiple if you need to. Now, make sure you tell your partner what group you are studying, because partner two is also going to pick a group, and it needs to be a different one from what you study, because we're comparing and contrasting different groups here and looking at their similarities and differences. Okay? So after you have picked your group and your partner has picked theirs, you'll work on this independently. And then you'll probably do that for a couple of days. And we have our in-class gathering on Wednesday of each week. That's when you two are going to collaborate and share some ideas together if you haven't done so already. So on this activity, you're going to write down some key points from everything that you found in your text. Partner two is going to write things here, and you're going to make some similarities and differences here. The idea behind this specific slide is that it doesn't have to be clean and organized here. You are talking things out, throwing your ideas together, getting it organized in a pretty rough way, but in a way that you can both see it, all right? Next slide is where I want you to fine tune it a little bit. So make that sandwich nice and pretty, okay? You're gonna put differences here for your group. You can work together on that. You can both summarize them, use some better vocabulary if you need to. Partner two, their group would go over here, but again, you can both be working on that, and then both of you can focus on some of the similarities between the two groups that you studied. And then lastly, using those two pieces and all of your individual notes beforehand is where you're going to work on your own independent constructed response, okay? This is where I want you to synthesize everything that you have learned. We are historical readers and thinkers and writers in this class, as well as presenters, and this is a good practice for you to build all of those skills. So I have put the question over here that you're going to be focusing on. It's the same guiding question throughout our lesson. How did African groups respond to imperialism? What were the similarities and the differences? Okay, so you're going to write out your response here, and you can change the font size if you need to and add an additional slide if you need to as well. Just make sure that you include at least 3 differences and 3 similarities. Partner two is going to do the same. They're going to do their own response here. Now, your responses might have some similar content, but they should not look exactly the same. Okay, not exactly the same. That would be plagiarism if they are. And then lastly, both of you are going to contribute references here. You need 3 total. So each one of you doesn't have to make 3. You need 3 between the 2 of you. So you don't need 6, you just need 3. And whenever you're finished, what you're going to do is click share, and you're going to get a shareable link here so that anyone with the link can view. So you'll copy that, and that's what you're going to turn in on Canvas to Mrs. Kummer. And that's not the final piece of this project. Before you get your grade on this, you will present this project to Mrs. Kummer. You'll do that in a scheduled live session with her, And again, it's just for you to get some practice presenting. She's not going to be super, that's me. She's not going to be super strict on how she grades you on your presentation. It's to give you some practice and you'll both present it together. So it's helpful if you assign roles beforehand and know who's going to say which slide. I would recommend that you say your slide that you wrote on, that you filled out the information for, and kind of give a brief synopsis of those slides because you are the expert on those slides because you filled them out. Okay. Now, I did give you an example here of what a completed cyber sandwich guide looks like. So these are examples from past classes that I have taught. Some of them are a little bit more detailed than others. And then this is their completed Venn diagram piece. All right. So if you have questions, as always, please let me know. And I'm excited to see what you guys come up with.